Bollywood actor Chitrangada Singh was recently photographed at the airport in a striking yet understated travel outfit that immediately grabbed attention on social media and fashion feeds. The in-car star stepped out in a casual all-black ensemble, pairing a sleek black top with comfortable bottoms, and layered her look with a blue denim jacket that added relaxed yet stylish flair to her travel wardrobe. Her choice of minimal makeup and relaxed hair perfectly complemented the outfit, reinforcing the simple but stylish vibe that fans have come to admire in her off-duty looks. Paparazzi snaps of Chitrangada showed her carrying a chic black handbag and wearing classic black sneakers. A practical choice for airport movement, yet fashionable enough to make a statement. Her sunglasses and subtle accessories helped balance comfort with an effortless style quotient, attracting praise from fashion enthusiasts who appreciated her choice of understated elegance. This appearance follows Chitrangada's recent period of visibility in the public eye, where the actor has been consistent with expressing confidence through both her professional work and personal style choices. As a seasoned actress known for redefining versatile fashion looks, from formal events to casual outings, her airport ensemble was widely shared across social platforms and fashion pages as an example of how simplicity can translate to timeless style. Industry insiders note that such looks resonate strongly with audiences who value practicality without compromising on personality, a trend that continues to shape celebrity travel fashion today.